Okay, so around December 22nd, somewhere around that date, there is a dense field being picked up on data. This is fitting several data points for the same time frames also. The galactic cosmic rays are 100% affecting our weather, and the particle counts are dramatically increasing. The particle count has gone up twice as much since the beginning of the year. We really didn't expect that count to be that high. This particle count is increasing and will reach a danger level if it continues on this trend. If a 0.2% change in the temperature of the Earth's stratosphere is enough to send this world into chaos with winds of about 200 to 300 miles per hour, then that small change in radioactive particles coming in from space is a big deal. Also with this, there is a bad problem coming with the oceans, like a higher tension of water in the atmosphere, but it's the wrong type of particle coming in. The particle's protons are overwhelming our magnetic field. Auroras need to be watched, and when we see a red and blue or change to a reddish-bluish type color, and then a bluish type color, we've got an ignition of the wrong type of gases going off in the atmosphere. And when that takes place, the moisture could do something like a type of flash fire, a sort of ignitable atmosphere. Wind speeds will increase because too much of a difference between hot and cold. Note these words: ignitable atmosphere, atmospheric compression, and ignitable faults. Now, Mike coined the term atmospheric compression, but that is a key word. Okay, so there will be big light shows in the sky, and we will see beautiful cloud colors as that particle count increases. And remember, the oceans are changing and the atmosphere is holding too much moisture. And with this radiation, we are also looking at the biological aspect of it. This winter, expect some strange sicknesses in the human body. We will start finding it difficult to overcome many things. People's minds are very affected, which is one of the bigger things. A lot of people will start losing memory and they won't know why. As time goes on, it's going to almost be like some people are trapped in some sort of dream state, and that's due to magnetics. Now here are some older notes I have taken on that very thing. The charged particles are going to go through anything they want to go through, damaging DNA and your neurons and everything else, and electrons. If the particles get through due to a collapse in the certain parts of the magnetic field, they are going right to the surface and they will penetrate the atmosphere because of the atmosphere will be bombarded. We will start to see the auroras first. This is going to be one of those signs, and once you see that and the magnetosphere continues to collapse, there's going to be an overwhelming of these very fast particles coming right down to the surface of the Earth. When this takes place, wherever the holes are, anybody in that specific area is going to have a break in their neurological connections, and they are going to go absolutely crazy. It's a very real thing, people going crazy like animals, and people would begin to hallucinate. All sorts of things are going to begin to happen. People are going to see things they don't want to see, and it'll almost be like walking between two dimensions. It's hard for anyone to imagine or grasp. You'll also see a big push from all governments where they have to collect money fast and do mini drills. Make sure to mark and note the locations of these drills. Also watch for rapid deployment into safe zones of important and smart individuals. Could be blamed on deaths. Also watch the earthquakes, volcano, and magma activity.